So in the process of backflashing, in the process of regenerating, a water treatment system does a backflash through a brine solution. Hello, welcome to Aquafeel Maryland. My name is Jose Taramona. Today we will be talking about a really question that comes all the time, and is the concern of homeowners of why people say that having a softener or a water treatment system might end up salting the pipes around your home, right? Putting salt in your plumbing. So today in this episode we will talk about it. This is episode number 15 of our series, and let's go. So why people think that a water treatment system or a softener will place salt in their plumbing? So in the process of backflashing, in the process of regenerating, a water treatment system does a backflash through a brine solution, which is sodium water, right? It's water that is placed in a tank with pellets of sodium. Now, just to be clear, these pellets don't have to be sodium, could be also potassium, right? So in that process, a water with salt, salty water, brine water, goes into the water treatment system and start the regeneration process, which pretty much is getting water in, start shaking it with water pressure, and then throwing everything back to the drain. So in one of those stages, there is one part in which the process becomes a rinse process. So that's why people do not understand that in the rinse process, water start coming out back like it was supposed to be from the intake to the outlet, but instead of going back to the house, goes back all the way to the drain. So it's really difficult that you have salt in your plumbing, that you have brine water in your plumbing in your house. So I hope this answers the question, but I want to go a little bit back on how a water treatment system works, and also why we use brine water, sodium or potassium, in the regeneration process. So in a good water treatment system, which is different than a softener, so we're going to talk this time to a water treatment system. In a good, well-made water treatment system, you have different stages of purification or treatment, right? And we're going to talk about how it works in a good treatment system. In the Aquafeel treatment system, we have 5 stages in which the water gets treated. Correct? And this stages go from pre-filter, right, to a KDF media, to a active charcoal media, to a really high-tech resin, all the way to our last stage, which is the flat part of the system. So in a really good water treatment system, and we're not going to talk about softeners this time, because there is a difference. We're going to talk about in a really good water treatment system, you have at least 4 stages of filtering, of treatment of your water. Okay? In the one that we have in the Aquafeel system is a pre-filter, right? We have micro Z minerals in there. The second stage comes with a KDF, right? Which is another media which actually protects the water for something specific. Then we have our active charcoal, and in the end we have our high efficiency ion exchange media. These 4 systems guarantees in the home a really safe and a structured way to treat your water. So in the first stage, the micro C process, what it does is actually pre-filters the water to actually be able to be ready for the pre-removal of all the other particles that we're going to start treating in the next stage. right? This is fundamental in those stages, because the systems that don't have these doesn't prepare the water for the next stage coming, which it happen to don't be quite the quality that you want in the water that comes out as a result. So our second stage is a KDF media. In this media, in this mineral, what it does is actually protects you for two major particles that could come in your water. First one is iron, for the areas that we have a lot of iron in the ground, and second is for hydrogen sulfate, which it can cause many problems, more in plumbing, but most in how the quality of the water is coming, like by bad odors or smell sometimes in the water. So it's really important to have that ready. Also, the KDF, what it does, it prepares the water for the next stage, right? Which is our third stage. Our third stage is our high-tech active charcoal media, which is active charcoal placed in a really special area to the movement always is in there. So what it does, active charcoal, is takes that chlorine, right, from a chlorinated water or any other really base chemical that could come through the water after the treatment process from your city or your municipality. So really very important that your water treatment system have a really active charcoal placement in there in the right position. Many other systems out there put the active charcoal first. To us, that is not the best way to get the most efficiency active charcoal, besides it could create other problems in the future. Now, we go to our fourth and last stage, which is a really high-tech ionic exchange resin. What it does, like the name says, is soften the water, right? This is the part into your water take all the hard particles and it stays in the system, the water treatment system, and it place it back, and when it goes back to your home, it goes completely free of hardness and really high metal particles in your water. So just to be completely have a resume all of this, a water treatment system is like a big magnet. Your water comes with a lot of stuff with it, right? The city takes the rocks, the locks, and the docks all the way from where they come from. It passed through our existing all infrastructure, which is the plumbing from the city, and gets to your house already exhausted, right? With this water treatment system in your house, give back to the water the properties and qualities that it needs to actually, you can use it, drink it, and cook it with, maybe any other activity that you do. So this big machine, or this is that you can see in your home when somebody comes to sell you one or perform a water test, and they show you a water treatment system. What it does is absorb or takes all these particles that comes in the water and leave the water free of those particles, giving back their properties and quality. So think like a water treatment system, like a big magnet that absorbs everything and takes everything back to your house with proper and quality functionality. Now, every 2 weeks around, or every time base of your quality of your water treatment system should perform a backflash, which is called a regeneration, in which rainwater comes to your system, backflashes or washes all these particles that were there by produce of the treatment, and all the way back to the drain. Put it back to the drain, in which it will never come back to your home. And that should be done at least every time that is set up in the programming, or every 2 weeks in our advice. So I hope this video has been really informative for you. Please make sure that your system or your water treatment system not only say what people is telling you, but it's also have a logical explanation of why the media is placed in that order. So you can actually have a water treatment system that lasts for a long time, that works the best way into all their life, but the most important, they give you the warranty that you have clean treated water in your home. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it really helps. Make sure your water treatment system is up to date. Call us if you have any questions. Please subscribe, and we'll see you in the next episode of your favorite podcast in Aquafeel Maryland. Thanks.